we're at a restaurant. Ate. We got tiramisu for the first time.
Vietnamese soup for the first time.
Vietnamese soup, tiramisu. Sounds the same, bro. Alright, round 2 at McDonald's in a different country. We went to Germany, we were disappointed. What? Oh, we were getting here. What are we getting here?
What do they have that's different?
I don't know, man.
Spicy
€5 for 6 chicken extra.
Oh, you get like $1 million for the dinner we just had. Gluten-free burger.
Interesting. It's not that different. Why get a McFlurry when you get a gelato in Italy? Makes no sense.
Your luggage being stuck in Frankfurt was the worst airport it could have ever been stuck in.
Yeah. Well, they have 5 days to deliver it to me.
Yeah. This is what I like. I like a little bit of modern mixed in with that history.
So we just arrived in Rome.
That's why I like
The train wasn't too bad. This is a very good train station. Looks like Japan, to be honest. First pizza in Rome. It's way smaller for the same price in Florence. What do you think?
Not bad.
Oh, it's not bad? Oh, I had that impression, but we'll see. We're in Rome, day 5 in our trip. I still don't have my luggage, but we got good scenery. The Basilica. Let's see, bro. Let's see. You guys making a sandwich, bro? Oh my. We're at this nice little garden. Just finished some pizza, walking around. What are these noises? Man's still hungry. We eating in the garden. Woo, woo, dude.
Emotional.
Just gave this homeless man a pizza. You got the doggy fountain. Drink from it. Oh my god. Dude, I don't think there's anything down there. Dude, you'd fall so far down. What the heck kind of route is this? It's New York now. What is this? Is this like a track for like a race or something? The pits. We're in the Rome. We're about to participate in the gladiator match. It's super hot. Yup.
Gonna fight to the death.
Why does it look way bigger up here?
Потом еще дальше, мы там, когда уже были.
Found some shade. Oh. The professionals.
It's hot.
Yes, it is.
Put that in the water. Oh yeah, hold on. Take like a pan of water. Here, let me give it a shot. I've never done one of these. You never done?
The breeze is
Yeah, nice little breeze. Look at all the vegetation, bro. That was what Florence was missing.
Yeah.
They didn't have any of this.
Maybe we just didn't see enough, that's why.
I mean, you were there longer than us. You didn't even see it.
Entertainment.
Yeah.
Humans.
I can't support those atrocities. We have to leave.
Yeah, go up the stairs.
How does it know how to stay stable? I mean, horizontal.
The GoPro?
Yeah, how the heck does it know?
It's a wide angle. So when it punch it, and then since it covers more than what you're actually shooting, it's able to use the lens.
Which cooking do you need it? Anywhere? Welcome. Why not meat?
Oh, bro, just to see that small room.
Bro, just zoom in.
Double scoop? What did he get? I think he got a double scoop. Let's give it a shot. Good.
I'll just slow down. Wait, can I look to you?
We couldn't eat the best pasta in Rome. We went to the best sandwich in Rome. Yeah.
The most known at least.
Oh, the most known.
Hey, we would have had this in Florence, but Lufthansa 0, bro.
Lufthansa 0, yeah. We could have had a full Florence experience. Day 6, I still don't have my luggage. Crazy. Lufthansa 0. It is over 90 degrees. So, we're at the Jewish ghetto and
Nothing to say, but
there's nothing to.
Does not even look like it.
Yeah, it doesn't look like the pictures, right? Where are we?
This says we're right here.
All right, looks like we found something over here. It smells really bad. Oh, there's people. There's people. This must be something. We're back at the Colosseum. It's like. A lot of people in Russia. Okay, so this is the other angle. We were across this yesterday. Unlucky individual. Yeah, AC too. nighttime on here. The boys, 2 a.m. at the speakeasy. The man.
That's why we're doing hard to beat it.
Yeah. And nobody can beat a 2. 2 is the highest number. And it goes from clubs to, from spades, clubs, diamonds, then hearts. Hearts is the highest. Nobody can be the highest 2 of hearts. But that's basically, you want to save like a 2 of hearts for like whatever combos you can do after. Like you can combo like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or something. And so on.
Well, day 7 with still no luggage. I went to Rome airport because my air tag was reported there, and when I went there, you know what they said? They said they shipped it back to Florence, and here I am about to hop on a train back to Florence. Hopefully I get it, because at this point, I don't know. The Air Dolomiti does not do their job, and they do not care if your luggage is lost, unfortunately. So wish me luck. Finally made it back to Florence airport. Or I mean, finally made it back to Florence. The moment of truth finally got. Don't fly Air Dolomiti. I just got my luggage.